Oh my God. Y'all, look how this thing is sitting. Look how it's sitting, dude. Oh my God. What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, your boy Tez got new wheels. If you haven't seen me struggling, haven't seen the clips already, go at me on Snap and Instagram and TikTok because all the clips are there. I did not get it right now, but it's cool. We got new wheels and I wanted to look at them with y'all. I know what they look like, but I ain't seen them in person. So let's go ahead and let's see these wheels together. All right, y'all. Sorry, I got rudely interrupted. I ain't gonna lie, but yo, 21-inch forged wheel. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the front wheel, I'm pretty sure. Dude, look how light. Look how light. Look how light. Look how light. One hand. What? This is crazy. All right, I gotta put it on the car. I can't wait any longer. Yo, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so fire. All right, let's see the back wheel. All right, y'all, it's been a couple days. Today has come. We got 295, 30, 21, and we have 285, 30, 21, and we have my F90, and we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna get all the tires and load them up, and we're gonna be good. All right, y'all, so we got all the tires in the freaking bins, man, loaded up, all 4 of them, and then we're about to go ahead and load the wheels in the F90. We should be good. Y'all, it's so crazy. I have a basketball in between those 2 wheels, so it literally don't hit, bro. Like, what? All right, y'all, so we have made it to my boy's tire shop, man. He about to hook it up. It's after hours, and he messing with me. And look at the wheels and all their freaking Corey, bro. Oh, my goodness. So up here, we got 20 by 10. Back there, we got 20 by 11, 285, 30, 21, 295, 30, 21. So we're about to go ahead. Get the F90 jacked up in the air, get the back wheels on first, man. And I cannot wait to show y'all. But for now, enjoy this B-roll. All right, YouTube, what's the deal, man? So we have took the stock TPMS sensors out of our stock wheels, and we're gonna put them in these wheels. So it all works out perfect, man, because I didn't have TPMS sensors, but it is what it is. So yes, sir. Oh my God. All right, y'all, currently got the front tires going on. Last back tire, get it mounted and balanced. Oh my freaking goodness, dude. What y'all think? Y'all love this. I love it too, though. All right, y'all, look at this dude. Like, this looks so freaking good, bro. He closed at 4 o'clock, y'all. It's almost 7 o'clock, bro. It's literally almost 7 o'clock, bro. He stayed for me to mount the wheels. Y'all know, come on now. Y'all know, hey, he got a pretty penny out of me. I ain't gonna lie. But it was worth it, bro. The freaking wheels are amazing, bro. Like, oh my freaking goodness, dude. Once we get down, I'm gonna go ahead and go to my favorite spot, and I'm gonna get some good clips for y'all. So enjoy that, but the video's not over. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm happy. Y'all, look how this thing's sitting. Look how it's sitting, dude. Oh my God. All right, y'all, so we got the car sit down, but it was too low and too tucked, so it literally would not even roll. Like, the brake not even on, as y'all can see. The wheel would not roll at all because it was too tight. Oh well, we just gotta push this down to lower it, and we good. I mean, raise it. I said lower it. Y'all, so this is the final result of the F90 and its new wheels. The hood is getting put on, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint match it yet. I don't know yet. Yes, we got another carbon hood going on, but I wanted to get these wheels on because these are dog. Oh my goodness, it's everything I've been wanting, bro. Like, it just looked so freaking good, dude. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think of the new wheels. I think they are fire, me personally. You know what I'm saying? But I would love to hear y'all opinion. I would love to know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? The wheels are ceramic coated, so watch this. Look at this. Ooh, they come right up. The wheels are ceramic coated, so they come right up. That's also what took so long. But oh my freaking goodness, dude. So freaking fire. So I forgot to mention, we are rubbing a lot back here. We're gonna raise this in a little bit, but right now, I can't. Ain't much I can do. But I'm gonna raise this side too. I already raced the other side because this side, I already raced the other side, but I was too lazy to race this side. I ain't gonna lie, but it'll be all right.